Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video guide, I will show you how to fix WUCHANG fallen feathers crashing or not loading on PS5. So go through this video completely and apply all the methods suggested to fix the error. So let's go ahead. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. So this is one of the best way to fix the issue. It resolves the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such kind of error. So simply go to the power option and then select restart PS5. Once your console restarts, now check and try to play the game and see if it works. The next solution suggested is to rebuild database. For that, you simply need to switch off your PS5 first and then hold down the power button unless 2 beep sound occurs. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. After that, connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Once done, check if the error is resolved. The next solution suggested is to check storage space on console. For that, you need to go to PS5 settings, then move down to storage option. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. You need to check each of them by clicking on it and then delete saved data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on saved data or game or app settings. After that, select save data on PS5 and now choose console storage and then finally delete option. The next solution is to change language on console. So what you have to do is simply go to PS5 settings first, then click on system. After that, select language option in the left sidebar and then choose current language. From here, change the language to English or any other that you wish and then check if the issue is resolved. The next solution suggested is to check for game update. This is an important factor that is suggested. You should ensure that the game you are playing is updated. The developers often release the patches to tackle several kinds of bugs or other issues that hamper performance of the game. So make sure you check for update option. Next solution suggested is to check HDMI connection. You should always check whether the HDMI cable is properly connected or not on your PS5. If there is any problem on the cable, simply change it or use another one and then check if the issue is resolved. The next solution is to check PS5 overheating. You should always make sure that your PS5 is not overheated while playing. If so, then it can hamper the playing performance. Simply, if it's heating, you need to cool it down for some time before using it. Simply wait for some time and now try to play the game and check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. So for that, you simply need to go to settings, then click on users and accounts. Next, go down and tap on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log in to the PS5 account and then check if the error is resolved. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. So for that, simply open settings on your PS5. Now choose system. After that, go to system software and then system software update and settings. Now select update system software from here and finally select update using internet option. This will install the latest software updates on your PS5 and then try to launch the game and check if you can play it without any issue. Next solution is to delete game's save file. So what you have to do is simply go to settings on your PS5. Now select saved data. Here choose upload or delete from console storage and after that select the game you are facing problem and then if you are using PS Plus Cloud, then select download or delete from cloud storage and after that select the game. So this will delete the game save file and hopefully you can play the game without any further problem. Next solution is to reset your console settings. For that, you simply go to settings first on your PS5 and then move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings and finally choose restore option. Once you reset your console, now check if you can play the game. If not, the next solution suggested is to reinstall WUCHANG Fallen Feathers from your console. So for that, simply highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on the controller. Now select delete and then confirm it. At last, restart your PS5 and again install the game and then check if the issue is resolved now. If not, the last method suggested is to contact support or take help from support team. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. Simply go through the link and discuss everything in details, whatever issue you are facing, and hopefully they will try to resolve the error you are coming through. So all these are some of the best solutions that I have suggested to fix WUCHANG Fallen Feathers crashing or not launching error on PS5. So that's all for now. Thank you.